Today's activator was taken from the North Carolina released end of grade test. This is an order of operations problem, and I'm going to look first for parentheses. So I see here some parentheses, and then I look inside of the parentheses because that's what I'm supposed to work on first. And I see that I have an exponent, this little tiny 2 right here, and then I also have the operation subtraction. So subtraction is a step 4, and exponents is a step 2. So I need to deal with the exponents before I subtract. Remember that the exponent, the 2, tells you how many of the 5s are being multiplied together. So I need to record 2 5s that are being multiplied together. Five times 5 gives us 25. Next, 25 minus 10 gives us 15. I know that the parentheses is fully simplified when there's only one number inside the parentheses. So since I see a 15, that means that it's fully simplified, the parentheses. So I'm finished with step 1. So I can move on to step 2. And step 2 is exponents. So now I'm looking outside of the parentheses. Do you see any exponents? And I do see an exponent. I see an exponent of 3. So that 3 tells me how many of the bases, the 2, are being multiplied together. So I need to record the 2 3 times, and I'm multiplying that together. And then I'm just copying the rest of the problem. 2 times 2 gives me 4, and then 4 times 2 gives me 8. So I'm finished with the exponents, I don't see any more, and now I move on to multiplication division. Now which do I do first? Do I complete the division or the multiplication? Well, since they're both a step 3 move or a level 3 move, they're tied. So sometimes you're going to complete division first, sometimes you're going to complete multiplication first. The way you decide is this arrow, whatever you see first when you move from left to right. And what I see first is the division. So I'm going to divide the 15 by the 5, and I get 3. And then 3 multiplied by 8 gives me 24. So my answer is C, 24.